Hello, everybody. This is Rob from MakeMoneyAudit.com and Make Money Audit YouTube channel. Today, we're doing an audit on Mr. Shane Hummus. I'm sure I messed up his name and his claim on five profitable YouTube niches you can copy from Claude AI. Let's hear what he's got to say.
Break down 5 profitable YouTube niches that you can copy with Claude AI to start making real money on YouTube, even if you're starting from absolute zero. And this is coming from someone who owns a YouTube channel with over 1.5 million subscribers, and I've personally made over $10 million on YouTube, and I've helped clients generate over.
Yep. Reason why he's made over $10 million is he's been selling some courses. So let's take a look and see what the verdict came up with when I did my audit. And the grade was a C. It's risky. And let me go into the details on why it's risky. So you can see here, that's the thumbnail. So on these audits, what you got to do at MakeMoneyAudit.com is you come in, you copy the URL, and you copy the description or the script from the video. So build a profitable YouTube channel with AI in 5 niches. Okay. AI assisted niche YouTube channel creation. Okay, let's get a little see what it says here. The video pitches building YouTube channel in one of the 5 specific niches: finance, career, advice, local guides. Yeah, okay. By leveraging AI tools like Claude to script outlines and ideas, it claims the method can lead to significant income, citing examples of clients' full-time income up to $10 million annually offered, often by combining existing expertise with AI assisted content creation. All right. Everybody should know right off the bat that, YouTube is really cracking down on the AI assisted videos. The only reason why mine aren't being done like this is because I'm talking to you. If you're going to do a fully automated one, the odds are you're going to get it banned or it's going to be taken off your channel and your channel will be closed. So let's take a look. So C is basically risky. I mean, I have A, B, C, D. D would be the one where you run away. So it's risky, but if you do your due diligence, you probably can make it work. But I wouldn't myself. So let's see. Okay. Risky, significant red flags. Most won't recoup investment. Yep, right. Time to ROI. Well, the video highlights an author achieving full-time income in 29 days. He also has how many subscribers? Oh, 1.57 million subscribers. No wonder you can make that amount of money in 29 days. Price took you that long. Okay, 29 days, consistently building an audience and achieving meaningful monetization. $1,000 a month typically takes 6 to 8 months of consistent effort for lead generation. ROI can be faster if the content directly converts, but an ad revenue growth is slow burn. Yeah. Unless you have something that you put on YouTube that absolutely goes viral, goes absolutely crazy, it's going to take a while. I've been always told 18 months or 12 months to 18 months before your channel starts making any type of money or monetization. You can sell courses or PDFs like I'm doing on mine. Yes, but my PDFs and my claims and stuff like that are the opposite of these guys. These guys claim how you can make money in 29 days. I come in and audit and tell you, yeah, probably not. So let's see, market saturation is medium. While the video can correctly identifies that specific niche, AI combinations are less saturated. The core niche themselves, investing, career advice, local guides, business, and case studies, are highly competitive. Yeah, everybody and their mother's making a video like this guy, how to make money with Claude, how to make money in drop shipping, how to make money selling PDFs, how to make money selling on KDP. All those are future videos, by the way. Real economic analysis, startup cost is low. Usually a mic, smartphone, AI subscription. Claude Basic is $20 a month. If you're not using Claude and using Chat, I don't know why. Chat's pretty outdated now. However, the high revenue figures cited at 10 million a year are primarily from selling courses, yep, services, and high ticket leads, not solely YouTube ad revenue, which pays anywhere from 3 to 10 RPM. The video understates the need for strong monetization strategy beyond ads and achieve these figures. Yeah, you're not going to get there. Risk factors, significant time commitment. Yep. And okay, who should pursue individuals with genuine, deep expertise in a specific niche who are willing to be consistently create highly quality, authentic content. What's what I'm doing now? I mean, I've been in the AR, business finance, business consultant arena for 35 years. So my knowledge is basically calling these things out if they're legit or they're BS. So that's where I come in. So those who should not pursue, those who seeking quick passive income. Yeah, that's the bottom line. It's not passive. It's not, you've got to work on it consistently. Post a video, 1 to 2 videos a day, maybe 1 video, 2 videos a week. And they got to be good videos and content. I mean, I'm still trying to crank out 2 videos a week, considering everything else that I'm doing. So it's not that easy. So one thing I want to make a suggest when you come to makemoneyaudit.com, if you once you put in the script and you put in the URL and you confirm it's the right video that you're going to audit, you want to go to here where it says download PDF, because when you use this, and it's free to use, by the way, you run another audit, all that you've already done here is gone. So I would recommend that you just download the PDF, save it to your folder, or save it to your computer, print it out, scribble your notes, whatever you want to do. And then if you have to come back to it, then you have it. Basically, it tells you everything I just said here. If you want to share it, you can basically send it to somebody if you want. And here, coming up in the near future, we're going to have a newsletter where basically I, give out audits I've already done if they're not in the video, or maybe they were in the video. I haven't decided because it's taken a lot of time to basically figure out what I want to do with that. So basically, Shane Hummus or Humans, I hope I don't mess up his name that bad. While this, creating YouTubes with Claude is plausible. You can do it. Don't get me wrong, you can. I have Claude help me with writing the titles and things like that and creating the thumbnails. So I use it for that purpose. I do not use it solely to run the whole video. You can't do that. I mean, you can't do faceless videos. They're going to get caught. So in this niche, I don't think he does faceless videos or YouTube videos, but if he doesn't, then that's good of him. If he does, well, hopefully you guys, take this advice with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence and decide what you want to do. My information is basically a consult guide to you. You decide what you want to do, and you go from there. So like and subscribe, and look forward to the next video coming out, probably later on this week. And I appreciate your time, everybody. Have a good day.